Alright, so today we have a cool project. We have my helmet for my motorcycle, my Triumph. Alright, this is a Bell qualifier helmet. And today we got a cool packaging for you. Right here, oops, probably don't want to show you my address. Right there and right here, we have light mode. This is LED lights that go on your helmet to light up your helmet at nighttime. Let's get into the show. We got 2 boxes. I already unpacked one. I'll tell you a little funny story. I bought this a couple weeks ago and it took about a week to ship. I ordered it, got it here, opened the package up. They sent me 2 lights of the same side. Reached back out to them, no big deal. They sent me a replacement kit. So we're gonna open these up just in case you guys never seen how this company packages their stuff. Let's open this up and let's get into the show, okay? Right? Okay. You can open that. Okay, go ahead, open it. Or you wanna open this one? Okay. And you pull it. Pull, pull, pull. All right. I'll take that. And I'll take this. Perfect. Okay, and you open it. Now this kit comes with, oh, go pick it up. It comes with a little light. This is pretty much what gets installed, not installed. What programs your lights to work on your helmet. Now they come with a little bracket. I already installed that. It's so cool. That's so cool. I installed it on the back of the helmet here. And it gets pretty much clipped on just like that. Okay. Alright, it comes with a little bit of adapters. Alright. Your charging for this little light mode thing. What's that? What we got? Some double-sided tape. And it's tape, yep. And we got a sticker, some light mode stickers if you want to rock it. I personally prefer not to put too much branding on a helmet, but it's here if you like that type of stuff. And then an instruction manual, and it's all gone. All right, let's put this to the floor. Put it on the floor. Oh, we got some more connectors. Okay, put that all on the floor. Throw it on the floor. There you go. All on the floor, baby. And then we have the lights right over here. The lights. So, okay, thank you, baby. These lights are pretty much show you on the correct side. It's all gone? Okay, good job. You want to open this while I kind of show them what we're doing here? Okay, thank you, baby. Yeah. Now this one is gonna go.
Help.
You need help?
Yeah.
Pretty much like this and like that onto my helmet. So that's that. Or they did send me 2 of the same side. No big deal. Company was very nice, reached out to me and sent me a quick one. Here we go. Just pull this, baby. Pull, pull, pull. Ah, there we go. Good job. Pull, pull, pull. All right, there we go. That's it, that's it. And then you come open it right through here. Grab the box. Get it, take it out. All right. There you go. And then let me show them real quick, okay? That's the box for the lights. This is just the lights, okay? Open this up.
Okay.
And inside, wait. We got the replacement side. All right, that's so cool.
Yeah.
All right, let's put these out the way. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna take off my visor.
A
B? There's no B.
A whoopee.
You did poopy? Yeah. All right, cool. So we have the helmet here, and we're gonna pop off this visor.
Car,
right?
quick, a car.
There is a car. That's your car. I'm gonna place that right there on top of the seat. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Dump a little bit on there. I'm gonna wipe the helmet down with this. Yeah, Jenna is coming.
Yeah.
All right, that is my sister. She's coming to play, right? We're gonna have some playtime. Okay, so we're gonna wipe this down, just to remove any grime or dirt that might be on the helmet from riding in the streets. Jenna is coming. Yeah, you gonna play? You're gonna play?
Yeah.
So.
Oh, were you there?
Yeah?
Oh, well, were you going to shut up?
I did tell the birds to shut up. I did, yeah. Come, sit down.
Oh,
So I noticed the last clip, my head was kind of cut off, so I'm gonna try to do this so you guys can still see my beautiful face. I'm really happy with the way it came out. I know you guys want to see how it looks. We're gonna do the video at nighttime.